Assalamu alaikum, kids. Today we will learn the letter M and some lovely things that start with M. Let's begin and have fun. 1 M for mango. This is a mango. Mango is a sweet fruit. 2 M for monkey. This is a monkey. Monkey likes to jump. 3 M for moon. This is the moon. Moon shines at night. 4 M for mother. This is mother. Mother loves us. 5 M for milk. This is milk. Milk is good for health. Well done, kids! Today we learned 5 words from the letter M. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Allah Hafiz, kids!